Okay, chalo. Now let's start with what are the different concepts of utility. Up to this point of time, we have studied definition of utility. Utility is a capacity of a commodity to satisfy human wants. After that, we have studied features of utility and types of utility. Now pay attention, these are the concepts of utility. Concepts of utility are totally different from types of utility. Types of utility are six: form, time, place, service, knowledge, possession. These are the types of utility. Now these total utility, marginal utility and average utility are the concepts of utility. Concepts of utility are different and types of utility are different. So before starting this particular topic of concept of utility, let me remind you some features of utility. That is, utility cannot be measured in cardinal numbers. First thing, you cannot measure utility in 1 2 3 4, and utility is dependent upon intensity of want. To study these particular topics, you want these two features of utility. Utility is dependent upon intensity of wants, and utility cannot be measured in cardinal numbers. So let's begin with the first concept of utility, that is total utility. Total utility, see how to write total utility. You are just going to write total utility once completely, total utility. After that you can write TU. It is mentioned in the beginning of the definition. Please do not give full stops. So TU, that is total utility, refers to the sum total of all utilities derived after consuming all units of a commodity. If a particular person is having some commodities and if he will start consuming one after another, the sum total of all utilities derived after consuming all units of a commodity is called as total utility. In order to make this particular thing understand, what you can see in this table is, if a particular person has got 8 oranges, right? These are the 8 oranges. You can see 8 oranges are there, and if a particular person consumes first orange, actually utility cannot be measured in cardinal numbers. You cannot count utility in 1 2 3 4 numbers, right? But keep this particular point aside, and for some time let's assume that, ऐसी कल्पना करो, ऐसा सोचो, let's assume that utility can be measured in cardinal numbers. So once a particular fellow will consume first orange, he will get utility of 10 units. Here you can see 10. Once he consumes second orange, his total utility will become 19. If he will consume third unit, his total utility will become 26. If he will consume fourth unit, his total utility will become 31. And if he will consume fifth unit, his total utility will be 34. So total utility is the sum total of all utilities derived after consuming all units of a commodity. This is what the definition is. Later when I will explain you this particular table in detail, you will come to know how these numbers 10, 19, 26 are calculated. It is calculated by adding, see, 10 plus 9, this is 19, 9 plus 7, this is 26, 7, 26 plus 5 is equal to 31, then 31 plus 3 is equal to 34. That is how total utility is calculated. Hence, if you will look at the formula is TU is equal to sigma, that is summation of MU. Sigma MU, marginal utility की अगर हम लोग total करेंगे, this sign symbol sigma stands for total. It is sum total of, अगर हम लोग marginal utility की total करेंगे तो हम लोगों को जो मिलेगा वो होगा TU. For example, see, this is the number of marginal utility units: 10, 9, 7, 5, 3. 10 plus 9, 19, 19 plus 7, 26, plus 5, 31, plus 3, 34. So this is how total utility is calculated. Second formula of total utility is TU of x is equal to function of Q of x. Here x is a commodity. X is a commodity. The total utility derived from the consumption of x commodity is dependent upon this f. You can see is f is not of Facebook. Pay attention. This f is function of. It means it is dependent upon. It is dependent upon the quantity of X commodity consumed. If you will consume more quantity of X commodity, you will get more total utility. So there are two formulae. First formula is Tu of X is equal to function of Q of X, and Tu is equal to sigma mu, that is marginal utility is total is equal to total utility. I hope you are clear with the concept of total utility. Now let's start studying marginal utility. Marginal utility, that is mu. Mu refers to the net addition made to total utility by consuming one more unit of a commodity. Mu refers to the additional utility derived after consuming one more unit of a commodity. Let me explain you. For example, pay attention. If a particular consumer has consumed first orange, pay attention, his total utility is 10 units. Here you can see 10. If he will consume second orange without any time gap, you can see his total utility will become 19. You can see this 19. जब उसने फर्स्ट ऑरेंज खाया था उसकी टोटल यूटिलिटी थी 10. जब उसने सेकेंड ऑरेंज खाया तो उसकी टोटल यूटिलिटी हो गई 19. It means second unit of orange has given 19 minus 10 is equal to 9 units of additional utility, and this additional utility is called as marginal utility. You can see it in the definition: net addition made to total utility by consuming one more unit of a commodity. For example, if the consumer consumes third orange, तुरंत उसने तीसरा ऑरेंज खाया, what you can see, his total utility will become 26. So after eating second orange, his total utility was 19. You can see this. After consuming second orange, his total utility was 19. Now when he consumes third orange, his total utility becomes 26. So this third orange has given 26 minus 19 is equal to 7 units of marginal utility, that is additional utility. You can see additional utility to the consumer. So it is called as marginal utility. Formula of marginal utility is something different. Before that, you please pay attention to this word. Marginal is additional. So marginal utility is derived means additional utility derived. Okay. Now please look into the formula. Mu of n is equal to Tu of n minus Tu of n minus 1. Marginal utility of nth unit is equal to Tu of nth unit minus Tu of n minus 1 unit. मैं formula explain करता हूँ with the help of table. Please pay attention. For example, if I am going to calculate marginal utility of this third orange, okay, so n is equal to 3. Pay attention. N is equal to 3, then n minus 1 is equal to 2. Okay, getting my point? N is equal to 3, then n minus 1 is equal to 2. फॉर्मूला में क्या लिखा है देखो, Tu of n मतलब Tu of third unit, Tu of third unit मतलब तीसरे की Tu माइनस Tu of n minus 1. तो अगर n 3 है, n यहाँ पे अगर 3 है तो n minus 1 होगा 2. So if you will deduct total utility of second unit, pay attention, total utility of second unit from total utility of third unit, तीसरे की Tu में से अगर दूसरे की Tu मैं माइनस करूँगा, what I will get is marginal utility of third unit. टेबल में एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ. मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी ऑफ थर्ड यूनिट, दिस इज थर्ड यूनिट ऑफ ऑरेंज, उसकी मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी तुम लोगों को दिख रही है 7. यू कैन सी दिस 7. दिस इज मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी ऑफ थर्ड यूनिट. मैंने कैसे फाइंड आउट की, तो मैंने थर्ड यूनिट की टोटल यूटिलिटी में से, विच इज 26, सी थर्ड यूनिट की टोटल यूटिलिटी इज 26 में से मैंने उसके पहले वाले की मतलब 19 मतलब दूसरे की Tu तीसरे की TU में से मैंने दूसरे की TU माइनस की, that is 26 minus 19 is equal to 7. This particular 7 is marginal utility of third unit. एक और एग्जांपल देके समझाता हूँ. If you are supposed to calculate marginal utility of fifth unit, ये this is fifth unit. If you want to calculate marginal utility of fifth unit, then you will have to deduct marginal utility of fourth unit, total utility of fourth unit, that is 31, from this 34. So if you will deduct 31 from 34, that is here 34 minus 31, what is ये 34 कहाँ से आया? तो ये है फिफ्थ की TU, और ये 31 कहाँ से आया? ये है फोर्थ की TU. इसका मतलब if you will deduct fourth TU from fifth TU, 31 minus 34, you will get 3, and this 3 is marginal utility. You can see marginal utility of fifth unit, that is 3. Hence the formula runs as mu of n is equal to tu of n minus tu of n minus 1. So this is what is second concept of utility, that is marginal utility. Now, as your syllabus has been revised this year, this particular topic of average utility is excluded from your syllabus. It was there in the last year's syllabus. Just a small definition read करता हूँ. Average utility refers to the utility derived per unit of a commodity. Its formula was AU of x is equal to TU of x divided by Q of x, but it is not now there in your syllabus. Okay, now pay attention toward this table. Before studying this table, let me once again tell you that you cannot measure utility in cardinal numbers. Utility cannot be measured in cardinal numbers, but keep this particular point aside, and for some time let's assume that utility can be measured in cardinal numbers. Okay, and second thing is utility is dependent upon intensity of wants. More the intensity of want, more the utility. Lesser the intensity of want, lesser the utility. अब हम लोग ये टेबल पढ़ेंगे, टेबल ऑफ रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन TU and MU. You can see that there are 3 columns. First column is oranges into bracket units. You can write any example of apples, chocolates, etc. But the commodity must be divisible. Pay attention. यहाँ पे जो मैंने orange लिखा है उसकी जगह पे तुम लोग apple लिख सकते हो, chocolate लिख सकते हो, कुछ भी लिख सकते हो. Doesn't matter. But the commodity has to be a divisible commodity. You cannot write fridge, you cannot write TV, you cannot write computer, because these things are indivisible. ये जो चीज़ हम लोगों को लिखनी है, oranges, chocolates, apples, जो भी लिखना है वो divisible होनी चाहिए. Second column is total utility into bracket units and marginal utility into bracket units. Pay attention. Whenever a particular customer will consume first orange, अब ध्यान से सुनो, before consuming first orange he didn't had any utility. So after consuming first orange he will get total utility of 10 units. You can see this 10 units, right? So before consuming first orange his total utility was 0. Here it is 0. So 10 minus 0 is equal to 10. So what this 10 is? 10 is marginal utility of first commodity. अब जैसा कि हम लोगों ने पढ़ा था यूटिलिटी इज डिपेंडेंट अपॉन इंटेंसिटी ऑफ वांट्स, तो जैसे ही उस आदमी ने फर्स्ट ऑरेंज कंज्यूम किया उसकी इंटेंसिटी ऑफ वांट्स हो गई थोड़ी सी कम. इसके लिए व्हेन द पर्टिकुलर फेलो कंज्यूम्स सेकंड ऑरेंज his total utility will become 19. You can see it is 19, it is not 20, so it is 19. So second orange has given 19 minus 10 is equal to 9 units of marginal utility. Second orange ने उसको उतनी marginal utility नहीं दी जितनी कि उसको first orange में से मिली थी, because after consuming first orange his want is satisfied up to a particular extent and there is a decline in the intensity of want. So without wasting any time, when the fellow consumes third orange his total utility will become 26 and Marginal utility is calculated by 26 minus 19 is equal to 7 by deducting this TU from this TU, right? 26 minus 19 is equal to 7. You can see the marginal utility of third unit is less as compared to second unit because of reduction in intensity of wands. उसकी intensity of wand अब धीरे धीरे कम हो रही है. जब उसने चौथा ऑरेंज कंज्यूम किया, what you can see is total utility is 31 units and marginal utility is 31 minus 26 5. उसको और कम marginal utility मिली. Similarly, when he consumes fifth orange, his total utility will become 34. What you can see is 34 minus 31 is equal to only 3 units of marginal utility. If you have paid attention, then 10, 9, 7, 5, 3 marginal utility is diminishing. It is reducing because of reduction in intensity of wands, right? Whenever the particular consumer will consume sixth orange, pay attention, whenever a consumer will consume sixth orange, what he will notice that his total utility remains constant. It means that there is no change in the total utility. Hence marginal utility is 34 minus 34 is equal to 0. This particular point is called as point of satiety. Here you can see point of satiety, that is point of maximum satisfaction. इसको हम लोग सिंपल लैंग्वेज में बोलेंगे तो उस आदमी का पेट अभी भर गया. A rational consumer should stop his consumption here, but in order to prove the law, he will have to consume seventh orange. After consuming seventh orange, you will observe, you will see that his total utility reduces up to 32. So marginal utility becomes negative, that is 32. This 32 minus 34. 32 minus 34 is equal to minus 2. It is called as disutility. एकदम सिंपल भाषा में बताऊंगा तो ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा खाना खाने के बाद जो तकलीफ हम लोगों को होती है, it is called as disutility. Whenever a consumer will consume 8th orange, his total utility will further come down to 28 and marginal utility is 28 minus 32 is equal to minus 4 units. So this is negative marginal utility. Please study this particular table in a proper manner. If you have any doubts, after all, if you are my student, so afterwards you can call me or send me a message. But this table is very very important, and depending upon this particular table there are 6 things to be noticed. That is relationship between TU and MU. एक एक करके हम लोग पढ़ेंगे. First thing is TU is always positive. Pay attention. These are the numbers of TU. You cannot see any negative numbers. See, TU is always positive, but MU is positive, negative and even 0. Please look the numbers of MU. Here MU is positive, here MU is negative, and here MU is 0 also. Okay. Then when TU is maximum, MU is 0. Pay attention. When TU is maximum, 6th orange में TU maximum है 34, तब marginal utility है 34 minus 34 is equal to 0. Next point, when TU starts declining, MU becomes negative. जब TU कम होने लगती है, देखो 34 से 32 हुई, 32 से 28 हुई. When TU starts declining, MU becomes negative. 0 का -2, -2 का -4. Okay, so when TU starts declining, MU becomes negative. Next point, TU increases initially, then it remains constant, and then it starts declining. Please look at the numbers. TU initially increases 10, 19, 26, 31, 34. यहाँ पे तुम लोगों ने देखा रहेगा तो TU बढ़ी, then it remains constant. देखो 34, 34 दोनों constant है, and then it starts declining 34, 32 and 28. यहाँ पे TU कम हो गई, but MU diminishes continuously. Next line देखो, but MU diminishes continuously, मतलब मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी लगातार कम ही हुई. देख सकते हो तुम लोग 10, 9, 7, 5, 3, 0, -2, -4. -4 छोटा होता है -2 से, राइट. तो मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी लगातार कम ही हुई बिकॉज ऑफ द सिंपल रीज़न ऑफ रिडक्शन और डिक्लाइन इन इंटेंसिटी ऑफ वांट्स। उस आदमी की इंटेंसिटी ऑफ वांट लगातार कम हो गई, इसके लिए मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी लगातार कम होती गई। देन लास्ट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन टू सक्सेसिव टी यूज इज एम यू। दो लगातार के कोई भी दो टी यू के नंबर लो, 10 और 19 तुम लोग लो, उसके बीच में जो डिफरेंस है वही मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी का वैल्यू होगा, दैट इज 9। यू कैन सी 31, 34, दोनों के बीच में 3 का गैप है। सो हियर इट इज 3 मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी। दीज आर द पॉइंट्स विच एक्सप्लेन्स रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन टी यू एंड एम यू। So I hope we have successfully cleared the concepts of total utility, marginal utility and relationship between total and marginal utility. Thank you. If you have any doubts, you can send me a WhatsApp message or even you can call me. You are free to ask your doubts. Thank you very much.